Welcome back to Loud Noises here on TNN. I'm your host, Dick Jebbins. Joining us now via satellite is Ken Oda. Ken, Doctor of Political Studies and former teacher at Northwest Southeastern State University. Ken is the current campaign manager for the Toro Party campaign, Marty Murray and Nigel Dube here in 2016. Welcome in, Ken.
Thanks for having me, Dick.
Ken, first things first, there's been a lot of talk about building walls in this campaign trail here in 2016. Murray, Dube, do they have what it takes to build the wall they claim they can build on the blue line?
Without a doubt, Dick. Look, with Jake Diddle, Sam Foose, Colton Berg, and Luke Davison, that's about as solid of a foundation as you could hope to have when you're building a wall on that back end. And Murray, Dube are already working with the Russians to bring in Vitaly Novytsky. That'll make the wall even stronger.
Does it matter at all that Dube and Murray are both Canadian?
No, it shouldn't. Look, Ted Cruz was born in Canada and he finished second in the Republican primary. Plus, if Democrats or Republicans really had a problem with Canada, they wouldn't keep threatening to move there if Mr. Trump or Mrs. Clinton gets elected.
Look, fair point, Ken, but do these guys have what it takes to fix the economy?
Certainly. They're the only candidates with a plan that puts money back in your pocket. The Toro season ticket plan puts 23.5% back to the season ticket holders compared to individual prices. They're the family values candidates. They want you to spend time at an affordable price with your family.
Ken, I don't mean to cut it short with you, but we are running it up on a break. So the final question I do have, Murray, Dube, do they have what it takes to stop ISIS?
Icings, Dick? Yeah, icings are easy. You just got to have good, clean breakouts.
Look, we're all out of time here with you, Ken. Thanks for stopping by. We'll be back with more here on TNN. We'll have our food critique of the week when we return.